What's up, guys? Look at that beautiful view over there. We're out here. There's James. Yeah. And we're out here. We're not going to tell you where we are, secret spot, but we're in the Atlantic Ocean, and we're going to go do some striper fishing. Let's get to it. Headed out on the Atlantic. Beautiful sunrise. Pray for us. Guys, check this out. This bird died, got caught in this guy's line. Nice little surprise for him when he gets to his boat. So me and James, we get out there. We're out in the boat. You've seen the boat before. It's pretty small. Got out into the Atlantic Ocean. We didn't go out in like the ocean. We were in a harbor, but there was some serious waves. There were some sketchy moments. The goal was to catch striped bass, and if we couldn't, maybe try for flounder or something like that, porgy. So I got sabiki rigs at Bass Pro the night before, and the plan was get some bait on the sabiki rigs, hook that up, get a striper. It's a big ocean. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we got bait. Oh my god, yes. Alright. Oh my god. Oh yes! Oh, I don't know if it's still on, but we had bait. It feels heavier, come on. Yes! Oh my god, he fell off right to the boat. Alright. I got him. We put a herring on a Carolina rig, and I had the drag super loose. My idea was striper's gonna hit it, it's gonna pick up the circle hook, get circle hooked, and take off. Not super easy to reel. We got it hooked up. Oh, we got one. We got a fish. Holy shit. Rip and drag. Here, crank your drag up a little bit. You got 40 on. We are into a striped bass. Oh my god, this is a big fish. We also don't have the net, which is not good.
Yeah, net's on shore.
And he took a lot of line.
Oh, there he is, way out there.
Oh wow. I think we're rolling, I hope. Wow.
There he is, see him?
We are not rolling.
I got on mine.
Okay.
Go now. Here we go. Yeah. Oh my god, this is a fish, man. I totally hate. Just don't want it to come up, but we're making progress. Here we go. Alright, he looks like, seems like he's swimming towards us. Now he's not. Holy shit. Dude, I was like, oh, we got snagged. Yeah. I hope he's having fun with it. Oh my god, guys.
We are so cool. You guys don't even understand.
Subscribe. Oh my god. It's a good one. Alright. Oh my god, no, it's a good one. Oh my god, it's 40 incher. No, I get 35. How are we gonna get in the boat?
Oh, it's not.
It's a tank.
It's a good one. Alright. Oh my god, no, it's a good one.
I'll lip it.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna go with we need like a two-hand crank.
Here, I'm gonna stop the video.
Yeah.
Stop it. It's more important we get it in. Yeah, you might need 2 hands to get her. How in the fuck did we just fucking do that? Oh my god! How did we do that? Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! What the fuck? How did we do that?
Oh my god! Look at the lip!
Hey, can you just get the hook and just throw it out so we don't have a problem with that? Dude, I don't even know what to do! I can't even hold it. Oh my god, that thing's giant.
Holy shit. Alright. Wow. Okay, you might need to get on the motors. You know, like the yacht.
good. Look at that, guys. Giant striper. That is
That must have been the one I was.
it's at least like a 32. Call that 33. Wow. You got a picture?
Oh my god, I can't believe we just got this thing, guys. Some water in her gills. There she goes. She's ready. Guys, 33-inch striped bass over slot. New personal best. That thing was unbelievable. The fight was crazy. We just saw another one somewhere out, like, yeah, so you guys can't see, but like out this way. A couple minutes ago, blow up, chasing bait. It tail whipped it, which is really cool. We're gonna keep hunting for them. We're gonna try and get some more bait. Yeah. Got the video. What do we got here? Oh, what the shoot? What the fuck is that? There we go. What a catch.
It's an oyster. An oyster closed on the damn line.
That's crazy. Got the fucking bat.
I'm sleeping in there. Sorry.
You've been ill. Fortunately, that was the only one we had, but it was a great time, awesome experience, and we'll definitely try it again. We really appreciate you guys watching the video. We've officially changed back to Bassin and Mass, so hopefully that'll get us some more attention or something. I don't know, our last two videos have flopped, but it's all right. I'm really happy with this video. I hope you guys liked it. We're thinking about getting some like GoPro mic or something like that to improve the audio with the GoPro. Let us know if you guys want us to do that. If you have any recommendations, anything like that, we could use some help there.